Hello engineers, welcome to 1 minute code cracks. Today's question is what is a stress guys? Many people say stress means force divided by area. But if that's true, then what is the pressure? So that definition is not entirely correct guys because stress is not just a force. So let's see with example. When someone applies a force on a bar, the bar doesn't just give up guys. It resists. This resistance inside the material is called internal resistive force. So stress is the internal resistive force per unit area when a material is loaded guys. The exact difference between stress and a pressure is stress is the internal resistive force by cross-sectional area and pressure is the external force divided by area. I hope now you understand what exactly stress means. If you have understood the concept, let's wrap up with this question. What do you think is the correct answer for this question? If you know the answer, drop it in the comment box. I will meet you with next video with another quick crack question.